tire making his debut. 20 laps the distance for your ACA Piping Truck Division. Green flag, this is another graduate of our Saturday night rookie program. He won 4 or 5 races in that deal last year. Made the jump up to trucks. Didn't make a start at the end of last year. That's not good, if I remember right. Kyle Glover, Lucas Mitchell, Brad Weissman battling it out for that 3rd spot. Luckily, all arrow. Kyle Glover out of the smaller green flag flies. Alex Moore trying to get in time. Very well. Folks to the 19W Alpha. Matt Merrill charges hard into the corner. Makes it stick. Sticks the nose of the 35 car truck. 36 truck. Out front. Back on the back on the side. Royal now. Here comes Matt Merrill one more time. Charging on the outside. He's going to drive it hard down into turn 3. Wardwell going to stick to the bottom line. Matt Merrill going to want to hang out just a little bit. Still. Now Merrill sticks the nose of the 36 truck out front in that Senator Wardwell challenges back on the bottom side. Back and forth we go. Merrill gets a little sideways. Wardwell follows. That might be all in. Merrill now clears Wardwell on turn 2. He opens up a 1 truck lane lead, but doesn't bring it down to the bottom side, and now he does. Kyle Glover, meanwhile, moves into making a 3 truck battle. Brad Weissman looking to rally and make his way up into the top 3. About 50 lap enduro to cap off our spectacular way out front. Now Samuel Wardwell trying to hold off the advances of Kyle Glover. Someone in the middle of the 40, some on car, lined up over there, down in the tech area. Only 8 more trips around this time by. I'll tell you, usually these trucks are really good races. They get a lot of those races. Going to repeat on the leaders. Now we're looking for a place to go. The big 8-lane Fury. Moving up both ways. There are screens in between as I'm off the corner. There was no racing in the pit. How would we there? go, coming to 4 to go this time by actually. The Wardwell, now that he's going to move off. Oh, Porter gets up over the curve and goes around in the number 51. Let's see if we can get it running. Oh, we're going to go caution. Oh. Green flag fly. Oh, contact out in turn 1. Off over the corner goes the number 12. Didn't see who he took with him, but that. Here we go. Green flag flies. Off turn 2. He's still going to keep it up on the high side to try to challenge, but Matt Miller drives hard down into turn 3. He's going to come off turn 4 with a sideways pickup truck. And the one time to the side. Well, going to hang on to that second spot. Wiseman's going to be your third place runner. Checkered flag flies. Matt Miller, Samuel Wardwell, Brad Wiseman.